Hi guys, today we're going to be doing a Roblox video for the first time in ages. He joined by my sister.
Hi guys.
She will be playing as well. She's not going to be on any other computer to join the server. She's going to be watching and playing at the same time.
Yeah. Because I'm semi-playing because I'm also on Sims.
Yeah.
So
while watching.
Yeah, but I am.
So I think I know what to play, and I think all of you would agree. Jailbreak. Definitely. Absolutely. Tony Tanks is pretty good, but I'll do that in another video. So let's go and do some jailbreak. So we are going to be police prisoners because
yeah.
Glitchy. I can only see my lovely, beautiful bald head. I'll let that go, but I definitely know that. I think, yeah. And that is the. Is it? No, that's the hat, isn't it? I don't really need that much. So I'm gonna go and get a car. There's really no cars. Oh wait, no, it's right here. Enter driver. Bad more. Oh god, this way. And I cannot see, but sadly the thing isn't loaded up yet, so it's absolutely nothing. And that's why I glitched over the wall. Yeah. See now, my equipment I still can't see. I know where the dirt. You saw that, right? Someone said the UFO. A UFO? Oh my god! Oh no.
My turn.
I can't get up here. This is getting extremely. I definitely saw it. Guys, did you? I think you. Wherever that UFO is now. Oh, that's. Oh, I never found it. Oh, I broke my leg. Look. I love it because it clicks on the bones and. Yes, okay, my things are now loaded. That's the train. Someone's probably going to be on it, I bet. 100%. Okay, blue tank, blue tank, blue tank. Now. No, I wanted the blue. I just missed everything. There's the UFO. You saw it, right? There, look, over there. Got my pistol out. So, I'm going to start. Oh, God. We need to find that UFO again. Because that, I think from that. Okay, there was a guy there. Let's go catch that criminal. Oh, my God, this is so intense. Let's shoot that guy, shoot that guy, shoot that guy. Free taser. Rest. Yes. Boom.
Alex.
Booyah. Huh?
Monkey.
Police officers. So basically, I just caught someone for that. It. So in total, 2,000 million, I think. Okay, I could have caught that guy. Shoot. Okay. I can't do it. I was so. Did you see that? I randomly went really slow. Get me up. I don't need a shotgun. It does know there's a thing called sprinting. Oh yeah, I saw this guy had a key card in his thing. I'll take that. Yeah, I know so. Guys, there, a vest. Boom. For stealing prices. There. Okay. So let's get out of here and start. Oh, I forgot to say. Safes for let's see. Let's skip it because we don't have all time. Cool, and we open that one and skip. Green, cool. Pretty good, but not enough. Anyway, I got money for that. I can't really say that. So, wait, someone's noticed me. Cess, someone's noticed me. There, Minecraft. Yes, I am Minecraft Monkey, the beautiful man. He doesn't know, does he?
No, he doesn't.
You can arrest people. Yes, someone knows I'm here. Stay away. I'm getting ready to. Just got arrested for doing that, and that guy will do. I've got one more warning. That guy's gonna. Someone's doing the alarm. Yes. And come on. Be very. Oh, missed, aren't I? For killing. Oh, poo. No. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all later in the next video.
Guys.
Bye!